Hello everyone, my name's James Evans. I'm at Petar Vardy Jaguar Aberdeen. Today I'm going to showcase our F-Type SVR. This SVR comes with a 5-litre V8 supercharged engine, over 550 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds, and a top speed in excess of 200 miles an hour. This car comes in Santorini black with a carbon rear spoiler, panoramic roof, full leather interior. We've got 10-way electric adjustable seats with memory function and lumbar support. Also included on this car as standard comes with an 8.5-inch touchscreen with satellite navigation, Bluetooth Connect. This car also comes with an 8-speed automatic ZF box. This comes with your dynamic drive modes and auto start-stop. And the showpiece of this car is the startup. If you'd like any more information on this car, please contact myself, James Evans, here at Petar Vardy Jaguar Aberdeen, and I'll be happy to help with any inquiries you have.